Here we have HackerBox 100, the 101st HackerBox. This one is called Centurion. Here's a list of all of the items in this HackerBox. Go over them in 1 second, but you can read for yourself. Let's open it up and take a look. See? Let's get this out of the way. Here we have a 240 by 240 round color display module. Very nice. Here we have a micro USB cable. Here we have a nano DL at 24 megahertz 8-channel logic analyzer. Let's open this bag up. We have a NPU 9259 axis motion sensor module, 40-pin headers, Raspberry Pi Pico, we have 6 S&D buttons. We have 2 16 gigabyte USB flash modules. Let's see, we have a bunch of DuPont jumpers, female to female. Then we have an Centurion bus analysis target PCB. And here we have 5 elite hacker stickers. And here they have an exclusive HackerBox C-Note PCB ruler. Very nice. Hacker logo. Very cool. And here we have the HackerBox 100 collectible reference card. Lots of nice stuff in there. Look at it all back. All right, this is HackerBox 100. Gonna be putting this together soon enough. And the official online guide will be available around February 22nd.